Welcome, guys. We're still continuing. Yes, I've just shown you uh, the E11 Gold Luminar Gold Ultra. So on the previous video, I just shown you E11 Luminar Gold Ultra. So now we want to continue with the visual one. We'll just test it for some few minutes, maybe 9 minutes or so. 9 minutes or so. Okay. So 9 minutes or so. So you have seen, how the robot performed without the visuals on the previous video. On the previous video, if you did not watch it, just watch the previous video. So we'll just upload even this one recently. We'll just upload them quickly. We'll upload them, roughly the same day, all these two videos. So yes, so as you can see, this is E11 Lumina Gold Ultra. So we're testing it on Boom 1000, 5 minutes time frame, from 1st of June 2020 to 26 August 2022. This is roughly 3 years of data. You see, this is roughly 3 years of data. So with the visual, it will take much more time. So we'll stop the robot on the way. So you can see it's still the $3,000 account there. Everything, all the settings still the same. 100, trades using 0.20 lots, 100 80,000 points there, 40,000 points, which is, yes, so those are the tests there, which we have now set. Everything remains the same. Okay, so we're now clicking start. We want to start this robot here. Okay, let's just remove this to start it from fresh. Okay, so we now click start. Okay, there we go. So we're just waiting for the robot to load everything and then it begin to run. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, so the same results from the previous video, we're using the same results. You see, so we're using the same results, trying to check, as you can see what is happening here. So we tried showing it in the same previous video, but it was cut short. So we're just trying to put another video here to show the visuals of this robot. So this robot, trade boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, boom crash 500, almost all the in synthetic indices this robot does trade them, provided you know what kind of take profits and stop loss you need to set. Okay, so this is a very, very wonderful system. So this is a wonderful robot. So we're just testing it now using the visual mode. So now within 2 days, now we're sitting at around 100 and almost $220. $220 within 2 days. We're sitting at $220, as I've also explained on the previous video before it get cut. Okay, so this one we will also stop the robot, this testing at any time, because we don't want this video to be quite long, because the data of almost 3 years, it can take hours and hours. So but we want to show you how powerful and how good this robot is. Okay, within 3 days, look at how much we are making, around $500 within 3 days. $500 within 3 days. Look at how powerful this robot is. This robot is so wonderful. It's a wonderful robot which I love. It's a wonderful robot which I love. Trading is synthetic indices. And you have seen other robots which we have, which also trade currencies. Also with this robot, you can trade currencies, but this one, I love it most on trading, synthetic indices. I love this robot trading synthetic indices. It's just something else. It's just beautiful. So it's just scalping, it's just scalping all the way. It's just scalping all the way. It's just, taking trades, taking profit, taking trades, taking profit, taking trades, taking profit. Some goes to losses, but the losses are minimal. Okay. We don't want to lose much. We want to gain more. So the losses should be at least, less than our profits. Okay, so this robot, it's just wonderful robot. It's just wonderful robot. Okay, this is just wonderful robot. As you can see there, the trades robot is busy, taking those trades. And remember, I said from what? From the 1st of June. Now we're on the 6th of June, and we have already made $740 Within 6 days, we've made around 720, $700 roughly. Within 6 days, $700 within 6 days. Imagine, imagine in a space maybe of a week, $700. Imagine. So this is what the robot is capable of doing, guys. So I will not continue running the whole entire data. So, as I've already run it on the previous video without the visual to show how far this robot it can go. So for the period of 3 years, this robot was able to make $101,000. $101,000 from $3,000. Imagine $101,000, $101,000 profit from just $3,000 profit. So all in all, including our starting, our balance and the profit is $104,000, $104,000. So you see, guys. So now we're on the 8th of June. We're still on the 8th, 9th of June, and now we're making around $960, $960, as you can see there, as you can see on the balance there, within the space of 9 days. Imagine having made $970. That's something else. That's something else. So awesome, guys. As I've explained that I will not, let this robot run for long, but let me just keep it for now for a few minutes and then see how far we can go. Yes. So look at that. We have now made $1,000 within space of 10 days. $1,000 within a space of 10 days. $1,000 within a space of 10 days. Imagine how beautiful and how powerful this robot is. I love using this robot on my synthetic indices, on my synthetic indices. This is quite beautiful. So I'm testing it on boom 1000. I'm testing these on boom 1000. So yes, guys, awesome. As you have seen for yourself how this robot can do and run. As it's opening trades on its own, you just plug this robot and it plays. You just plug and it plays. You just plug and it plays. You just plug, it plays. It knows where to take trades. It knows what to do. It is programmed for that. Yes. Anybody who want to use our system, want to use our robots, you use them at your own risk, whether you gain, whether you lose. You know, we are not held liable for that, you see, but we are just showing you how powerful this robot is. We are not liable of your loss, we are not liable of your gains, but this robot is a powerful system, as you can see for yourself. Look now, within the space of 12 days, we have made 1,100, 100. Listen, so we're just demonstrating for you how powerful this robot is, and we just enjoy. Right? Remember, trading is a risky business. So yes. So this is a beautiful thing. So awesome, guys. I think I can stop it here, as you've seen for yourself. I wouldn't want to let this robot run for the whole entire 2 years. You have seen now we're running at a profit of 1,100. We started with 4,000. We started with 3,000. I mean. Now we are running at 4,100 within a space of 13 days. Within a space of 13 days. So awesome, guys. Let me just pause it. Let me just stop it there, guys. So let me go back to the graph. Let me go back to the graph. As you can see, the graph here. So as I've stopped it, you can see the graph. I've stopped it at around 4,100 there. So as you can see, guys. So yes, so let me stop this. So awesome, guys. This is wonderful. Awesome.